What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2014 Dodge Challenger V6 SXT Plus factory converters as usual. Factory X-Buy. Then what we put on it is two LCGP shorties right there and right there. Part number right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we continued his existing pipe and deleted the rears there and right there. And reused his factory tips to keep the factory look, but without the factory sound. Give it a sexier tone. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And here's the two resonators that were on it. In the back, there's the two mufflers that were on it in the middle. There we go. And that's what it looks like after. Like nothing happened except weight reduction surgery. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Better. Are you happy? Yes, sir. That's perfect. Your sound decibels? Again? Right at 115. Much better. Hit us up, guys, at Discount Muffler in Nashville, Tennessee for all your exhaust needs. That's so nice. No rasp. That's what the LCGPs are for. This sounds so much nicer. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. LCGP mids, 14 Challenger SXT Plus, LCGP mids, and rear delete.